Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to this place called Evergreen Raceway. It's a small track close to my house. Well, it's about 2 hours from my house. But basically they host these drift events. People drift there. They can do ride-alongs and all that. I don't have a drift car, so I'm going to be riding with other drivers and stuff. And I'm going to be taking photos. I'm getting all my camera stuff set up. I'll be posting the photos on... I guess I'll include them in this video, and then also I'll be posting them on my Instagram, on my TikTok, and just all over social media and stuff. But we're gonna go get camera stuff ready, and yeah, let's get to it. All right, so we got my camera stuff set up. I have my Canon T7 extra lens, polarizer's already on it. I'm not huge into the videography stuff yet. So just to kind of ease my way into it, I got one of these DJI handheld gimbals. They actually work really good. I use it a lot in some of my videos. I don't know how much I'll be using this because it's kind of like bulky to like hold in pockets and stuff, but it's really nice for the price range. I mean, if you're just shooting on an iPhone, it works great. We got my camera in here, extra microfibers, extra batteries and stuff. But yeah, we won't be taking the Porsche up. I would love to, but it's having some issues with oil and coolant and all that fun stuff. So we're gonna be doing an oil change on it here shortly, and flushing the whole engine out and stuff. But yeah, let's head up to Evergreen. All right, so we were back from Evergreen. We got some work done on the Porsche. It's a beautiful day out, so I thought I'd take it out. It's a little hot out, but so far it's running good. Did an oil change on it, and yeah, it just wasn't ready for the road trip up to Drums, because that's like 2 hours. That's where Evergreen's at. So I was gonna take it up, but we checked the oil and it just looked a little low, and we're like, it's time for an oil change. I didn't want to drive it 2.5 hours away and then something happened, so we kept it at home this time. But yeah, Evergreen was a blast. I did a bunch of ride-alongs. As you can see from the montage, there's tons of other videos posted on my TikTok. Yeah, it was awesome. I mean, I got tons of photos. It was just a blast. Here's some of the photos. There's a really nice C6 Corvette, tons and tons of old BMWs and stuff like that. There's a really nice C5. The guy was really nice. Talked to him a few times. Jenny, the drift boat, it's an E46 with like a fiberglass boat body on top, was there, but I didn't get any photos or videos. I was gonna try to get a ride along with him, but by the time he started drifting, I was heading out because it got pretty late and didn't want to stay out too late that night. But yeah, there's tons of photos. If you go to my Instagram, my TikTok, there's gonna be a lot more. I was shooting like tons and tons for TikTok. Kind of almost forgot about shooting for YouTube, but yeah, go check out the Instagram, TikTok for a bunch of photos and stuff like that. And thank you for watching today's video. There will be more videos coming out, even though the car season is kind of slowly coming to an end. There's going to be updates on the Porsche here shortly, as of with like paint, getting the seats redone, all that stuff. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the Drift Evergreen video.